This video will be for those who are interested in iFixit tools. So I just received my birthday present and I'm very happy because I'm working with many Apple computers, Windows PCs and iPhones and tablets maybe in the future, and this iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit will help me to do all these tiny details for all of those tasks in the future. So I'm very happy that I can share with you the unboxing of this kit. And if we turn over the box, we can see what's inside. You can pause the video right now and check all the tools that are inside the box. You can see that it has all the necessary tools, all and even more that you need. See, iFixit. By the way, it's not sponsored. I have no sponsors to my channel yet. Maybe in the future, I don't know. But right now, you can see it goes for drone cameras, phones, tablets, toy consoles, laptops, desktops, and other. So let's open the box. Let's open it on both sides. Here you go, this is the beautiful black box with the shiny iFixit logo and the brand. It opens up here. And we are greeted with this beautiful case. And inside is the user owner's manual. And there is nothing inside the box. Little introduction. And there is everything you see what's in the soft case. So that's the user manual or introduction guide. And here is this beautiful case, a beautiful bag. We open it up and there you have it. There are all the tools. Here you can see this is the set. iFixit, I think, have many different sets. If you want only for the iPhone or only for Mac, there's a huge one that has many other tools inside. But for me, I think this is the best more than starting kit. Here you can see. You have all the, if you can see in the camera, all the symbols, all the letters, all the sizes marked up. These are high quality tools. This is metallic. Feels good in the hands. High quality product. Oh, and this is magnetic. This is the magnetic pad. If you open up a MacBook or iPhone, you can just put the screws here on this pad and they do not fall off. It's a very useful pad. So it goes here. Let's put it back. Here are all the other tools. Here are the plastic tips. These are the opening tools. And this is the opening tool for iPhone's screen or iPad. And this one clicks on magnetically, does not fall off. Very nice detail here by iFixit. Let's put it on and close it. And this is that compact of a bag and case. I hope you liked this video, short unboxing. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video of Tech You Through.